Okay, let's talk about one-sided confidence intervals. We'll only talk about this briefly. It's not a big deal. People don't use them all that often. Let's say we want to find the largest plausible value for the true mean. We can use the same idea as previously, but instead of doing a two-sided thing, we do a one-sided thing. So we could find a value negative z star. So for a 95% confidence interval, we could say what's a value so that we don't often, 95% of the time, we're no further than that much below the true mean. You solve this on MATLAB, you end up getting minus 1.645. We can then say, well, 95% of the time, our sample mean is no further than 1.645 standard errors less than true mean, which means that a one-sided confidence interval for mu is to take our sample mean, to add 1.645 standard errors. 95% of the time we're no further than 1.645 less than it, so standard error is less than it, so we'll add 1.645 standard errors to our sample mean. And how small can it get? As small as it wants. It can go to negative infinity. And that gives us a one-sided confidence interval, a largest plausible value for the true mean. You sometimes see that in life. Look, I've never used one in practice, but it's worth knowing that this idea extends to this one-sided situation as well. And if you will sometimes see these guys on MATLAB as well, so it's worth knowing what they mean.